Welcome back to my channel!
Bless us, O Lord, for this thy gift which we are about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen. Hello mga Megs! Welcome back to my channel. Magmumukbang kami. Breakfast mukbang. Ito yung first mukbang ko sa 2022. Sabayan nyo kami mga Megs. Kain tayo. Mayroon kaming chorizo, ham, fried egg, tuyo, French fries, onion rings, and burger. Mayroon kaming fruits at water. Okay, let's eat.
Kain tayo mga Megs!
Kasama ko si Habi and my beloved son, my manager.
Enjoy your meal!
Kain tayo. Tuyo. Bungol dito, bungol.
Ba't yung mga ipan? Ano? Tapos mag-exercise, walking.
Nag-walking kami. Kami tatlo.
Government Center.
Dapat may replenishment ng mga calories na lumabas ka kanina. Kailangan mabalik ka ng calories na double. Kaya mukbang agad. Alam yan ako. Kakabata ulit ha? Sarap yun. Ano ko ito? Hindi ko ba? Lumiit ka.
Sige, force ko.
So ano ngayon ang ginagawa mo ngayon? Ano yan? Anong tawag yan?
Ikaw yan?
Burning calories by eating.
Storing more calories.
Hindi, because meat sweat, di ba?
The more you eat, the more you sweat.
Hindi, balhas.
Sweat.
So, bukas, exercise ka ulit.
Every day.
And more eating.
Sarap.
Sarap talaga.
Masarap yung chorizo na gawa ng Victoria's. Wala siyang
Dan, kenapa
Sabah.
special? Ini special
Sige, ah.
price. No.
Ito niya.
Okay. That's why.
Please.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, chop.
Pag tuyo, magasto sa kanin.
Malakas.
Malakas sa kanin ang tuyo. Binalik niya ang ham. Kakainin ko yung ulo. Para marami ang tuyo.
Check it first.
Ganat na
Nara
kayo.
ka pa, may ano ka pa, ketchup pa.
Hindi ko.
Tingnan namin kung sino mangke.
Mino. See? Sino ang maki? Walang flavor ako.
Si Champ.
Ay, meron siya. Good. Thank you. Breakfast done.
Ay.
Why?
Anak kita.
Monkey si Mads Helen, ako gorilla.
Ako monkey siya gorilla.
Ti mga Megs, mamukbang na kami ranggutan karon. Later on sa next video naman. Galing wala kami di mayo ranggutan.
Ang bisa niya kaya hindi ka understand sang Ilonggo. Tapos na kaming kumain mga Megs. Makain pa si orangutan. Kinain niya burger, rice, ham, burger, fries. Pero hindi inaubos ang fries kasi medyo ayaw mo nang lumainit. Thank you mga Meg!
Thank you mga Megs!
Masya-shoutout ako. Naghugas ako ng kamay. Linisin namin ito at masya-shoutout ako.
Thank you mga Megs! Goodbye!
It's shout out time. Shout out to Ma'am Christine Cecil Ugawa. Shout out. At sa anak niya na may channel, Maria Chan's Vlog. Shout out. Ma'am Sis Brenny Lagangan. Ma'am Sis Nancy Suson. Ma'am Sis Jessie Pastrana. Ma'am Imelda Rojas. Ma'am Let Calderon. Abby Calderon, Rachel Calderon, Grace Calderon, Jason Laksamana, shout out. Stila Batusin, shout out. Sheila Almendras, shout out. Ruda Cruz, shout out. Shout out. Sa mga mukbangers, Fernan Constantino, salot. Simple Bisdak Mukbang. PG Family Mukbang. Quiet, Anay, quiet. Magis Cuisine. Shout out. Sevilla Pam Vlogs. Shout out. Eat with Kathleen. Shout out. Reyna Nitonyeng. Shout out. Bisdak sa Kuwait. Shout out. IC Vlog. Shout out. Remis TV Watkins. Amiga. Shout out. Raw and Cook Food ASMR, shout out. Cucina, shout out. Iñaki TV, shout out. June Pig, Frini, shout out. Taga-Oma TV, shout out. Lulang OFW Vlog, shout out. Sumiyami, shout out. And congratulations, 14K subs. At more to come. Discarding Basic, shout out. Liz Lafang Channel, shout out. Jigs TVE, shout out. Sally M, shout out. Lutoing Pachams, shout out. Inday Iyat Mukbang, shout out. Ma'am Shilaisa, shout out. Your Wawa, Amiga, shout out. Ma'am Shirusi, shout out. Shane, John, and me, shout out. Catherine Gavula Vlog, shout out. Jinhin Kaparis, shout out. Jukbin, shout out. Arzaga Mukbang, shout out. JC and Rach, shout out. Jovelia Mamoto, shout out. Mamshi I Vlog, shout out. John Aldrin Casis, shout out. Jude Jeep Channel, shout out. Angel Mendoza in Zone, shout out. Buko Food Trip, shout out. The Bagsik Family, shout out. Kimpok's Vlog, shout out. Nor Songa Vlog, shout out. Juvie Tenorio, shout out. The Foodie Bee, shout out. It's Me Grajen, shout out. Hungry Gino, shout out. Liz Eats, shout out. Jinja Kaiden, ASMR, shout out. Mix Go, shout out. Algie Bites, shout out. Me Vlog, shout out. Usang Talaro, shout out. Babaeng Maharot, shout out. It's Sweet Alma, shout out. Hi Garcia 1301, shout out. Push ASMR, shout out. Coach Foodie, shout out. CG Pinoy Mukbanger, shout out. ASMR Mysterious Girl, shout out. Unpark Mukbang, shout out. Eat with Ina, shout out. Joy and Lorna Faye, shout out. Neva Air, shout out. Charito Pangan, shout out. Japina TV, shout out. Julian TV, shout out. Hampas Lupang Burgis, shout out. Cindy, shout out. Si Cindy siya ang Sweet Nining vlog before. Siki Shine 15, shout out. Mukbang Queen, shout out. Meets Love It, shout out. Eat with Vince and Tuna, shout out. Buhay GP, shout out. Discarty, shout out. Sheena Dancel, shout out. Giants Farm Vlog, shout out. Makulit na Apo Makalola, shout out. Manoy Mukbang, shout out. Nicolay Fernandez, shout out. Kois Mikoy, shout out. Food Without Pretensions, shout out. Simply ni Kay Mukbang. Mother Shingo, shout out. GMRT Vlog, shout out. GDAX Food Trip, shout out. Mukbang Twinnies, shout out. Ma'am Shirubi, shout out. Alfie Eats, shout out. It's Ahin Time, shout out. A Standby, shout out. Taga Pangasinan, shout out. Nix Borgs OFW Vlog, shout out. JR Magtulis, shout out. Happy Boys Food Tube, shout out. Christina, shout out. Joy and Lorna Fee, shout out. Queen Natsu, shout out. Pano Family Mukbang, shout out. Jackie's Life, shout out. Mike and Lynn Channel, shout out. Kyle Popper, shout out. No Beer Papa ASMR Mukbang, shout out. Shout out. At sa Triskelion Mukbangers, Fernan Constantino, shout out. Ralph and Ka, shout out. Happy Boys Food Tube, shout out. Jinhin Kaparis, Jukbin, Tulbuloy Mukbang, Tolihod, Be Nice to Me, Apolicious Gidok, Team Fox Vlog, and Team Jigo, etc. shout out. Yan ang mga mukbangers. At ang hindi ko pa na shout out at gustong magpalista sa mga mukbangers, please comment down below and isa-shout out ko kayo next time. At shout out sa mga Team Cutie Pies Power. Shout out Team Supportive. Rasmia Shanaya, shout out. Oy Fly Flani, shout out. Sky 18 TV, shout out. Bicolana in Dubai, Bicolana ng OFW. Jerry Boy and Poland, shout out. Lilibet Potman, PBU Channel, PBU Crank, shout out. Mary Rose Vlog, Mary Joy Galvez. Mirna Delgado, my own version, shout out. Laura the Explorer, Norse Burns, Malin Banks, Dada Picori, RJ and Family Mukbang, PJ and Family Mukbang, Sheila Vlog, Tina Lina Hong Kong, Eloy Cutify, Purple Cherry TV, Meets Fighter Survivor, Michibichi, Simply Lang Fields Vlog, shout out. Ling Villamor, Maya Lee Vlog, Isabel Diaries, Badillo Family Vlogs, Papsi Official TV, Lori Sanchez, Lee Kim, Malin Andig, Tita Wing Vlog, Moods of the Mountain, Fujitora, Learner Wendy TV, Francis Aday, shout out. Pinas and Hong Kong Vlog, Jose Tasis, Cesar TV, Pakner ni Chona, Bix TV, Lias Vlog, Russian Eligios, Jelin the Explorer, Bing Photography, shout out. Bitches Vlog, shout out. Yulu Yun, shout out. Rafi Dimaon, Amigo, shout out. Ami Vlog TV, shout out. Rachel and Master Mike Vlog, shout out. Kirstine, shout out. Sharon Cosina, I Vegan to Simply Vegan, shout out. Inday Tinay Vlog, shout out. Abby Faith, Sabungerong Barbero, shout out. Hong Heng, shout out. Simala Tors Vlog, shout out. Inay's MG Vlog, shout out. Mikey Lee, shout out. Negrensis Living, shout out. L.A. Maisa, shout out. Pasabor Network, shout out. Juanito Marinado, shout out. Sa mga walang channel, taga Bongbong Slacson, shout out. Chima Noscal, Pina Francia Pado, Inday Salvi Gatilugo, Antiniling Tupas, Josephine Llamado, Rosario Bellones, Mary Ann Llamado, Nining Kisler, Bernadette Magbanwa, Araceli Brown, Gingging, Queenie, shout out. Mads Emmy Talavera, shout out. Carmelin Riquito and family, shout out. Nathalie Navarro, Hong Kong, shout out. Laila Odagueri, Sofia Tirig, Rosette Nabarti, Kampayan sa Punong, Balantian, Balasan, Iloilo, shout out. Oput is Bacolod, shout out. Ayan. Ang dami kong shout out dahil isang taon walang shout. Tribu Payag Tuba, Lasinggiras, Maria Dolores Lee, shout out. Bibi Barredo, Erod Nurse, Kalapis TV, James OFW, Ernesto Parlonga, Melod 0501, Francidors TV, Gummy Beer Vlog, GTAP TV, Cat and Billy, Dax Lifestyle, Antikinya Vlog, Malia Empowered, Dudong Ko, shout out. Tribu Tuba, Balotsky Vlog, Rose Pinay OFW Vlog, Sirin Gurot, shout out. Arlene Hong Kong Vlog, Staycation Assure with Joy, shout out. Nasal Hinoktan, Pami Jolian, Rasmia Vlog, Mimi's Vlog, Grace PLC Channel, Selski Channel, shout out. Thank you sa mga sponsor last year, from Ma'am Christine Cecil Ogawa, iVegan Simple Vegan, Hector Lobo, Nuno Balion, July Dumaicos, Chuck Intong and wife, Jan Gavaran and Captain Francisco Gutera, shout out. Thank you sa sponsor, and also thanks to Angel Mendoza in Seoul na nagbigay ng pambili ng gamot sa kaibigan ko na stroke, si Alma. At Mi Vlog, ganun din, nagbigay din ng 2,000 pesos. And also, Hungry Gino, nagbigay ng 1,000 pesos para sa aking food sharing. Hindi ko pa naipamigay ang kay Hungry Gino, pero yung kay Mi Vlog na 2,000 and Angel Mendoza in Seoul na 800 na ibigay ko na. Ayan. Nagmukbang ako para makapag-shoutout. Thank you mga Megs! Happy New Year! God bless everyone!